Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile. So let's get started. Let's go to the Facebook app. Tap on the Facebook icon to open it. We are on the Facebook homepage. To lock your Facebook profile, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Scroll down. Tap on Settings and Privacy. A new Settings and Privacy menu open on the screen. Tap on the first option, which is Settings. Scroll down. In Audience and Visibility, open Profile Locking. And from here, we can lock the profile in just one step. Read this helpful information before locking. Tap on Lock Your Profile and your profile will be locked. There is another way to do this. Close Settings and let's go back. Open your Facebook profile. Tap on these three horizontal dots. In these profile settings, we have a Lock Profile option. Tap to open it and lock your profile from here. This is how we can easily lock Facebook profiles. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.